Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit comedy videos on CapCut PC. So what people like doing now, they like to add in like sound effects, but make sure the sound effect make sure the sound effect is like a really funny one. People really like to use like meme sound effects. I don't have it downloaded, but you're just going to select a sound effect and you're going to add that here, maybe like laugh, and just download it and add it. Oh, that's loud. I can't play it though. People also like to like rewind funny reactions, so what you're going to want to do is copy and paste, and then I would just speed it up and rewind it. And then like here, add like the reaction again many times. That's what people like to do in comedy videos. But yeah, that is pretty much it. You can also like freeze frame their reaction here and do something with it if you'd like to, like add in a keyframe here, and then here you're just going to want to zoom in there. And that's pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.